In this video, I will show you how to create levels for your project in Revit, and also how to resolve the issue of your levels not showing in your project browser. So pay attention as we dive into it. Under models, click on create. We're going to create a new model. Let's use the metric template. From browser, choose the default metric. Open. Okay. Click on any of the elevation. Let's use this out. Okay, by default, these ones will be there. To create other levels, go to Revit, go to architecture. At your right hand side, you see level. Click on it. Hold it until you see these blue dotted lines. Click on it, drag it. You see another dotted line at the end. You drop it. You do the same thing depending on how many levels you want to create. I think this is okay. Let's go with this one. So the next thing you're going to do is setting the headrooms, that the distance from each levels, and also renaming to either ground level, first level, and so on. So let's first and rename. I will name this 0 NGL, natural ground level. CS. The ground floor plan. At this point, when there is a kind of conflict, you can change the scale. Let's say to 1:50. Yeah, as you can see, it's better now. First floor plan. Level. So the next thing is to rename the dimensions. The natural ground level is at 0. The ground floor plan is at 600. Okay, for these ones, for the headrooms, we are going to be using 3150 for the headrooms. So you add 600 to 3150 to get second floor, the first floor plan. 600 plus that will give you 3,750. Plus 3,150, that is 6,900. Plus 3. I think this is okay. You can also confirm by dimensioning them to know if it's accurate. 3,150 for each level. Yeah, this is okay. It's okay. Okay, I think they're okay. If you notice, these levels, the level markers are showing black, while others are blue. And if you look at the project browser, you only seeing the natural ground level and the ground floor plan. So at this point, to resolve this issue of the level not showing in the project browser, click on any of the level. Go to view, plan views, click on the drop down arrow, click on floor plan, select the level that is not showing, place it on 1. You can also use the control button to select all of them. Place it on 1. Go back to south. You can see it has changed to blue. Do the same thing here. Go to view, plan views, and the drop down arrow, floor plan. Go back to the south. You can see it's changing and it's appearing here. I think this is okay, and all the levels are now showing in the project browser under floor plan.